Speaker. This weekend I had the privilege of attending the Soldiers of Song performance at the Listowel Legion. Their performance was a tribute to the Dumbbells, the pioneers of sketch comedy. In 1917, around Vimy Ridge, a group of soldiers came together to form a comedy and musical troupe called the Dumbbells. They entertained Canadian troops during the First World War with humorous songs and sketches about life in the trenches. After the war, the Dumbbells toured Canada as professional entertainers. They became the first ever Canadian production to score a hit on Broadway. The Dumbbells' journey is now being celebrated in Dr. Jason Wilson's musical play, Soldiers of Song. Soldiers of Song is a Canadian theatre show that travels around the world celebrating the Dumbbells. The show was a wonderful tribute to the soldiers who entertained their comrades and boosted morale through the First World War. I would like to thank the Listowel Legion and the North Perth Arts Council for bringing the show to Perth Wellington. I would also like to recognize Listowel native Andrew Knowlton, who performs in this show. I would encourage everyone to go and see the Soldiers of Song and learn more about these Canadian entertainers. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you. Member statements.